Did it go off?
No, it's trying to crawl on this.
Putting a spider back on the plant. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Hit the camera button so it takes a picture. Camera. There you go. Cool. Trying to stay still. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, you almost ate it.
You almost ate it. I was gonna.
Well, you're gonna give me that. Well, there's a bug in it. We gotta.
I was gonna hang the stem over your mouth and cut it off and I'm like, oh, there's a little teeny baby spider.
Oh no! All right, let's go wash it off and then we'll taste test it. Tell me what you're gonna say.
We gotta plant that marigolds in afterwards. After we come right back after this break.
Oh, babe, we got carrots. Ain't no spiders.
Oh, what do you got in here? What do you got in your
Toothache
hand?
plant. Toothache. What's it called? The professional?
Spylances.
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 Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna drop it.
Don't drop it.
Alright,
Alright. You always go fast and I go slow.
I'm gonna get it on.
Are you swallowing it?
Oh, no, yeah.
Yeah, Michael did before.
Mush it around.
You told me before not to swallow it the first time we tried it. So, it really makes your mouth foamy. I'm not going to swallow it. Breastfeeding my baby.
Well, I was really starting to sing.
That's strong. Stronger than before. It's like hot. I can't feel anything. Ew. I didn't even swallow it and it's like going down. It's like all numb. I'm salivating. Toothache plant. It makes your mouth salivate and then you have like a mouthful of mouthwash.
Oh, it feels so cool.
I needed this the other day when my tooth was hurting. Then I don't have it. My lips are like, I feel like they're like, I got Botox.
It's like in between my teeth are smiling.
Yeah. Look at that. White foaminess.
Mine isn't foamy, but it feels like it is. It feels clean. It is. They say it's an antiseptic.
Smile, I'll take a picture. Yeah. It's really good to have for a homestead. It's good.
It feels good in my
It'll
mouth.
probably really help with tooth pain. Next time I have a toothache, I'm coming out here and getting me some. Well, we'll see how our mouth grows.
I don't see how it goes.
I love you.
Love you.
Alright. Hopefully, God blesses you till next time you don't have any tooth pain. But if you do,
Spylances.
see how this grows in your mouth.